Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to merge multiple videos into one. To merge multiple videos, you can do the following. First, we will use one free video editing software. The link is in my description box, you can download from there, then install in your PC. This application is free for personal use. Then open the video editing software, then follow my steps to join the multiple videos. That's it. Very simple and very easy. Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.